The question was whether this alternative will always run on diesel or maybe only starting on diesel and then heavy fuel can be switched on to it.
Okay, good question. See, or diesel engine, whether it's a main engine or generator engine, they can run in either diesel or heavy oil. It all depends on so many factors. For example, if you are in emission control area, you do not want to pollute the environment. There, the limit of the sulfur is 0.1% mass over mass. So in that case, you will have to switch over to diesel because achieving that low sulfur with heavy oil is very difficult. Okay, they have no choice. So as an environmental regulation, you have to come to diesel. And also some of the generators are designed to start stop in diesel.
Okay.
And after running, they can switch over. You can switch over them to
Heavy fuel.
For main engine, old engines used to run start stop in diesel, but later on, the designer developed engines which can start stop also in heavy oil. But as per regulation, all engines are required to change to diesel.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good.
I hope from this technical workshop you must have got a little bit idea ki how this workshop works and why it is important for you to go through those dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package, electrical package, and never to shy away from investing on yourself, because in the long run that is the only thing that pays. So if you want faster promotions, if you want respect on ship, whether you are a marine engineer or an ETO, electrical officer, these packages on Merchant Navy Decoded website are meant for you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.